Guys, where are we going?
BC!
Yay!
It's the sun, baby!
Woo! Say something.
Oh, it's a video?
It's a video. Yeah.
Oh, it's a video. We're gonna do Cougar Alley here, and then we're gonna start coming down through these trees all the way to Bear Paw, all the way down. We can even hit the bottom of the real Ogopogo, except look how much longer we'll do of it. Boom, baby.
JJ, what do you think?
Hey, it's big boy. Yeah, what do you want to do? Hey.
Whiskey, misery, and parties of play. If I were mixed up with you, I'd be the talk of the town, disgraced and disowned, another one of the clowns. But you would finally live a little, finally laugh a little. Just let me give you the freedom to dream, and it'll wake you up and cure your aching. Take your walls and start them breaking. Now that's a deal that seems worth taking. But I guess I'll leave that up to you.